Okay, let's play. You can start. Here we go. Three, two, one. Everyone, Zordar Talia, semi-final first match. Make some noise. Great whistling and what a sound. First ball into the block hole. What a start. So semi-final one started. Aeon Dazzlers versus Pink Panthers. Pink Panthers won the toss, elected to field first. 8 over match. Semi-final one. Rahul Panchal and Mitesh Chauhan, the opening pair आणि बॉलिंग मध्ये आलेला आहे प्रतीक कदम. 2 balls bowled, 2 for no loss. Single run. So now Mitesh Chauhan on strike. That's been given as a wide. Umpire Mr. Naushad. After 3 balls, 4 for no loss, Aeon Dazzlers. That swing and a miss, but just outside the off-stump line. Wide signal by the umpire. 4 balls bowled, 5 for no loss. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League 2025. We are now entered into semi-final round. First semi-final in progress. Aeon Dazzlers versus Pink Panthers. 4 गेंद 6 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. And that's a first wicket. Excellent catch taken there. First wicket fall of Aeon Dazzlers. 5 गेंद 6 रन, 1 विकेट. Attack. A good catch taken by Vikas. विकास ने टीम का विकास कर दिया है. 5 गेंद 6 पर 1. So 5 balls bowled, 6 for 1. Aeon Dazzlers, a new batter, Siddesh More, the all-rounder from Aeon Dazzlers. The fielder there at Wadish long on. Single run. So single to end of the over. Good start from Pink Panthers. One was gone, 7 for 1. Aeon Dazzlers. So very good start from Hemant Ambekar. Back-to-back three dots into the block hole. Aeon Dazzlers. 1.37 for one Aeon Dazzlers. That's cracking shot. That will go all the way. 6 runs. जबरदस्त सिक्सर. आर पार 6 रन के लिए सीधे तारामंडल में. 1.4 13 पर 1 एओन डेजलर्स. सिद्धेश मोरे strikes very well. Long on for 6. Looking to play over covers. He's got the outside edge on only a single run. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League 2025 Day 2 Season 2. Very good shot. अल्टी पल्टी दे घुमा के जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे. 4 रन के लिए. 4 रन के साथ ये होगी ओवर की समाप्ति. 2 ओवर के बाद 18 पर 1 एओन डेजलर्स. Season 2 Day 2 and event sporting partner Brand Next Media. Eight overs match, semi-final 1 in progress. .119 for 1. Now Parshuram, the new bowler. It's Parashram. Parashram. Parashram with the bowling. Left arm round the wicket. Straight to the fielder, square leg. 2.220 पर 1 एओन डेजलर्स. सेमीफाइनल 1. कौन जीतेगा और जाएगा फाइनल में प्रवेश. फाइनल में प्रवेश करेगा कौन सी टीम. 4 बिग कंटेंडर्स सेमीफाइनल में. .321 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. Something different, something special. Mitesh Johan. 2.422 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. So very good field there. So single to end of the over. Three was gone, 25 for 1. A on Dazzlers. Mitesh Chauhan batting 8 of 5 with 1 4 and Siddesh More 13 of 10 with 1 maximum hit. 3 over 25 पर एक. That's very well played. That's gone. Bowler. The fielder is running, but ball wins the race. A cracking boundary. What a signal by the umpire. 3.3 32 पर एक एऑन डेजलर्स. 3.3 32 for 1. इस बार खेल दिया है और ये चली गई गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर. 4 रन के लिए. बैक टू बैक बाउंड्रीज. Consecutive boundaries from Mitesh Chauhan. That swing and a miss. Good bowling from Vikash Shukla there. 4 ओवर का खेल खत्म 37 पर 1 एऑन डेजलर्स सेमीफाइनल 1 in progress. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League 2025 Day 2. Now we have entered in semi-final game. Bowling were बॉलिंग वर आलेले आहे प्रतीक कदम 1 ओव्हर 1 7 रन आणि 1 विकेट 4.138 for 1 A on Dazzlers. Siddesh More. Oh, but he is well inside the crease. Very good running, quick running. Quick running by Mitesh Chauhan. 4.239 for 1 A on Dazzlers. Very good bowling. Will they come back for 2? Bit of misfield. .341 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. It's coming back for 2 more. 2 runs taken. Siddesh More and Mitesh Chauhan. 4.444 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. Initially, Pink Panthers won the toss, elected to bowl first, and they allowed Aeon Dazzlers to bat first. Very good shot. Excellent timing. Reverse shot. 4 runs. अल्टी पल्टी दे घुमा के 4 रन के लिए 4.5 48 for 1 मितेश चौहान कर रहे कमाल 25-12 गेंद 4 चौके. .5 48 for 1 last ball of the 5th over. So very good and the follow through by Pratik Kadam there. He bowled 2 overs 17 for 1 after 5 overs 49 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. 5 ओवर के बाद 49 for 1 एऑन डेजलर्स. 5 ओवर 49 પર 1. 5 ઓવર પછી 49 અને 1 વિકેટ. એઓન ડેઝલરનો સ્કોર. बहुत ही बड़ा शॉट गैप में खेल दिया है. कोई मौजूद नहीं वहां पर फील्डर और covers the infield for 4 runs. और इसी 4 रन के साथ 50 रन पूरे एआर डेजलर्स. 5.1 53 for 1. Mitesh Chauhan doing something special in this match. 30 of 14 with 5 fours. Cracking shot, no fielder. Yeah, there's a fielder this time to stop. Mid wicket region for a couple of runs taken. Thirty-two 15 with 5 fours. 5.2 55 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. We can predict now the score 80 plus. That clears the infield. That will go all the way. The outfield is fast for 4 runs. Cracking boundary. Mitesh Chauhan. Absolutely fantastic. पुष्पा झुकेगा नहीं और मितेश रुकेगा नहीं. कोई नहीं. 5.3 59 for 1 Aeon Dazzlers. इस बार भेज दिया है और मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र में बैक टू बैक कंसेक्यूटिव बाउंड्रीज. 40 of 17 with 7 fours. वहां पे बेहतरीन बैटिंग कर रहे मितेश. एऑन डेजलर्स 63 for 1. That's clean bowled. Excellent bowling. Finally, Parashram. इनको मिली सफलता and very well played by Mitesh. 40 of 18 balls, 7 fours. 7 समुंदर पार मार दिया 7 चौकार. Strike rate of 222.22. 5.5 63 for 2. सो 2 रन के साथ होगी ओवर की समाप्ति. 6 ओवर के बाद 65 पे 2 एऑन डेजलर्स. अब आने वाले 2 ओवर में गौतम और सिद्धेश कितने रन्स बनाएंगे. 6 over 65 for 2 Aeon Dazzlers. और ये बहुत ही ऊपर चले गए गेंद. कैमरामैन कैच इट. Absolutely fantastic. That went like a rocket six. Into the clouds, into the galaxy. 6 runs. धरती तोड़ दिया है और ऊपर उसके ऊपर भी कैमरामैन. That's went like a traceable at boundary for 4 runs. सिद्धेश मोरे. ये दिल मांगे मोड़. सिद्धेश मोड़ मार दिया है 4. 6.2 76 पर 2. 26-16 गेंद, 1 4 और 2 6. Oh, very lucky. Siddesh has taken the luck tablet. White ball, keeper misses. Backward region, the fielder misses. So 3 extras, 6.2 79 for 2. Siddesh More is interested in only delivering big hittings. No need for single. He will cover all the runs in maximum hittings. 6.3 79 for 2. He'll come back for 2 here. 16 runs are so far in this over. 4 balls bowled. 6.4 81 for 2. Last 2 balls coming up of this 7th over. Spar only a single run. 6.5 82 पे 2 विकेट नुकसान पर एयन डेजलर्स. Now last ball of this 7th over coming up. Gautam on strike. Clean bowled. Hold his goal. Batsman got clean bowled. 7 ओवर के बाद 82 पे 3 एयन डेजलर्स. अटैक. Seven has gone 82 for 3. Pranit Parab and सिद्धेश मोरे. ये दोनों है फायर. ये दोनों पुष्पा ऑन फायर. 7 ओवर 82 पे 3. अब आखिरी ओवर इस पहली पारी सेमीफाइनल 1. Only a single. So second semi-final coming up, MIBL versus Howden. Captains ready for the toss. MIBL versus Howden, the semi-final 2. MIBL captain, Howden captain, Hazir Ho for the toss. We are waiting for the Howden captain. That's a very good fielding. Udimar fielding performance by Pratik there. 7.3, 84 for 3, Aeon Dazzlers. आखिरी 3 गेंद पहली पारी. That's been given as wide. Outside the leg stump line. 85 for 3, Aeon Dazzlers. Catch it. That's taken. Very well catch taken by Ramesh. So very well played Siddesh More. 30 of 21 ball, 1-4 and 2-6. Looking to clear the long off region, and long off has taken the catch. सात दशमलव चार 85 पे 4. किसकी होगी जीत और किसकी होगी हार? एऑन डिजलर्स स्क्वेयर की दिशा में 2 रन के लिए जा रहे हैं. And that's out, run out. Very good throw. So Pritesh, what a great throw from Square Leg region. 7.5, 86 for 5. Now the last ball of the first innings. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League semi-final 1. Aeon Dazzler versus Pink Panthers. Final ball now. Swing and a miss. Dot ball. That's out. Stumping out. So 8 overs gone. 86 for 6. पिंक पैंथर्स को जीतने के लिए चाहिए 87 रन फाइनल में प्रवेश करने के लिए. So 87 is a target for Pink Panthers to chase. So we'll take a short break and come back. Semi-final first is on.
In the game of life, stay protected with ICICI Lombard Health Insurance.
Junk food. Wrong choice. Energy low.
In the game of life, stay protected with ICICI Lombard Health Insurance.
Power restored.
In the game of life, stay protected with ICICI Lombard Health Insurance.
Junk food. Wrong choice. Energy low.
In the game of life, stay protected with ICICI Lombard Health Insurance.
Power restored.
इधर गया 3, 2, 1, make some noise, जोरदार तालियां. Semi-final 1, second innings will start. The target is 87 to chase. First ball, very good shot. सीमारेखा के बाहर, ये गई 4 रन के लिए. First ball strike. Vishram. First ball for Pratik Kadam non-strike, and Ankur Jain started the proceedings. Already started with from Aeon Dazzlers. पहली गेंद पर 4 रन के लिए यहाँ पे फील्डर तैनात. डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर. अल्टी पल्टी वहां पर फील्डर. अल्टी पल्टी 4 रन और फील्डर ही वहां पे हो गई थोड़ी पल्टी. 2 गेंद 8 रन. क्या ड्यू फैक्टर के कारण हो गए पल्टी फील्डर वहां पर. बैक टू बैक 4 कंसेक्यूटिव बाउंड्रीज. That's just leg stump. Outside the leg stump for white ball. 2 गेंद 9 रन. अच्छी शुरुआत पिंक पैंथर्स. विश्राम ने सामने वाले की टीम को कर दिया है सावधान. इस बार गैप में वहां पर कोशिश कर रहे थे मेसी और रोनाल्डो उसको रोकने के लिए. फुटबॉल स्किल्स. लेकिन ये निकल गई गैप में. 3 गेंद 13 रन. पिंक पैंथर्स. What a start. Firing start. Target is 87 to chase. इस बार स्टंप के ऊपर बड़े शॉट मारने का प्रयास. After 4 balls bowled, 13 for no loss. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League semi-final 1 in progress. 87 target given by Aaron Desler to Pink Panthers. That's a cheeky cut, but the fielder there at short third man. Five balls bowled, 14 for no loss, Pink Panthers. Last ball coming up of the first over. The current run rate 16, required is just 10. Oh, he's taken the catch. Fantastic catch at Wadish long on. Ankur Jain, 7 number jersey, Thala for a reason. He's done the magic. Looking for big one and go on. So good comeback by Ankur Jain, the bowler. 14 run conceded, but you got the important wicket for the wicket of Pratik Kadam. Catch Ranjit bowled Ankur. First ball, Pratik Kadam gone. So Vishram is in the crease. 1 overs 14 for 1. 1 over 14 पर एक Pink Panthers. Siddesh More, the all-rounder, batted well in the first innings. 30 of 21, 1-4 and 2-6. Now with the ball. So one more over power play. Only 2 fielder outside the circle is allowed. 1 fielder, deep extra cover. And 1 is at wideish long on. Good fielding, good throw, only a single run. 1.1, 15 for 1, 72 now from coming 6.5. New man Ramesh. सुरेश का साथ छोड़ के आए बैटिंग में रमेश. Very good bowling. That's the advantage of being a heighted bowler. You read the batsman completely and put the pressure and maintain the line and length. 1.2, 16 for 1, Pink Panthers. Good stop there, outside edge at short third man region. 1.317 पर 1 पिंक पैंथर्स का स्कोर. क्या पिंक पैंथर्स को अब है खतरा? स्कोर हो गया है 17. 70 रन की जरूरत है. 6.3 ओवर्स लेफ्ट. 70 रन्स, 39 बॉल्स. डायरेक्टली शूट करते तो कुछ विकेट मिल सकता था नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पर, बट रिस्क नहीं लेने का. 1 रन गया तो चलेगा. 1.4, 18 for 1, Pink Panthers. 69 to get from coming 38 balls. Siddesh More, very good bowling. 4 balls, 4 runs. Absolutely good bowling. The first over went 14 runs. Now this is a very good comeback from Aeon Dazzlers. 5 balls, 5 singles. एक दशमलव पाँच 19 पर एक. Swing and a miss down the track, looking to play for big one. और इनका कनेक्शन नहीं लगा. लगता है इनका मैच नहीं हुआ है बम्बल पे. 2 overs gone, 19 for 1, Pink Panthers. After 2 overs, 19 for 1, Pink Panthers 68 runs, coming 36 balls. That's end of the power play. Maximum fielders can be go outside the circle. 4 fielders should be inside the circle, mandatory in non-power play. प्रणीत परब आता बॉलिंगवर. स्ट्राइकवर आहे विश्राम. हल्के से खेल दिया, पॉइंट की दिशा में 1 रन चुरा लिया. 2.1, 20 for 1, 67 to get from coming 5.5, 35 balls, 67 runs. The required run rate is around 11.50. It's played towards wideish long on for a single run. दो दशमलव 2 21 पर एक 66 रन और गेंद बचे हैं 34. और फील्डर उसको पकड़ नहीं पाए. ये चली गई गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए. टॉप एज एंड वेंट फॉर 4 एट बैकवर्ड रीजन. 2.3 25 पर एक 62 रन 33 balls. Current run rate is 10 and required is 11.27. That's a very good shot. 6 runs into the commentary box, banging on the roof. बेहतरीन सिक्सर फ्रॉम विश्राम. 27-11 गेंद, 4 चौके और 1 मैक्सिमम हिट. 2.4 31 for 1 पिंक पैंथर्स. कट करना चाहते थे, थोड़ी सी उछाल गेंद पे और कीपर के हाथों में. 2.5 31 पर एक. इस बार अच्छी बॉलिंग, वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर द्वारा. .5 32 for 1, 55 from 31. That's reverse hit straight to the fielder at short third man. He will take strike. Single to end of the over. 3 ओवर का खेल खत्म. 33 for 1 Pink Panthers. 54 now required from 5 overs left. 3 ओवर के बाद 33 for 1. 3 ओवर પછી 33 અને 1 વિકેટ. 54 5 ઓવર में. રાહુલ પાંચાલ બોલિંગ પર આવેલા છે. 3 ઓવર પછી 33 અને 1 વિકેટ. Catch it, and he has taken. Good catch at cow corner region. Catches wins matches. રાહુલ પાંચાર પહેલી જ બોલમાં ધૂમ ધડાકા કરેલા છે. Catch taken by Gautam. He is not Gambhir. 3.1 33 for 2. New batsman coming at number 4 Hemant. अभी भी इस मैच में एऑन डेजलर्स और पिंक पैंथर्स और ये बड़ी विकेट. 28-14 गेंद, 4 चौके, 1 सिक्स. बेहतरीन बैटिंग प्रदर्शन. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर विश्राम सक्रे. वेरी वेल प्लेड. आता बॅटिंगवर आलेला आहे हेमंत आंबेकर, नवीन फलंदाज. 3.1 33 for 2. It's got the outside edge. Only a single at third man short, third man fielder. 3.2 34 for 2. 53 runs now. 28 balls left. So now current run rate and required is almost 7, 10.20 and 11.36. Just one acceleration of 1 run to get the current and required same. He tried this time. If he could go more 2-3 steps back, he can easily take that catch. But the quick reflection is very much required. He tried to take that, but went over him. 4 runs. 3.3 38 for 2 Pink Panthers. 49 to get and coming 27 balls. Good shot by Ramesh. That played towards cow corner region for 4. Just short of Siddesh, the fielder at long off. Two runs taken, 40 for 2, 3.4. 47 runs to get from 26 now. Just short once again. Lucky the batsman. It's important a good stop at the long off region. Only a single run this time. 3.5 41 for 2. Very close encounter. Close chance. Swing and a miss. Dot ball to end of the over. So that's end of the number 4, 41 for 2, 4 over left, 46 to get. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League Season 2 Day 2 Event Sporting Partner Brand Next Media. It's a great first day and also now the second day. Super exciting, super Sunday fun day. Now we are at semi-final round, the first semi-final progress. Back to back. Praneeth Parab is doing something magical bowling now. 46 from 3.4 now. Very good catch. Excellent taken by Siddesh there. Running catch from wideish long off. And a very good kick taken there. So wicket number 3. Ramesh departs. 10 of 10 ball 1-4. 4.3. 41 for 3. पूरी तरह से यहाँ पर इस मैच में दोनों टीम और 50-50 equation chances of win. Let's see now. One quality over and one big over Aeon Dazzlers. Let's see Pink Panthers can make something special. Now the new batter. Pritesh Pawar on strike. That went outside, a chance for the keeper to take that. But batsman survives. .45 from 20 now. Excellent bowling from Praneeth Parab. इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद प्रणीत. और यहां पर क्या छूटा, सपना टूटा. पांच ओवर के बाद 43 for 3. आने वाले 3 ओवर में चाहिए 44. और ये सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए 5.2, 47 for 3. Now 40 runs, 16 balls. 40 रन 16 गेंद. स्विंग एंड मिस. अच्छी बॉलिंग यहां पर एऑन डेजलर्स. अच्छी पकड़ रखी है और अच्छी बॉलिंग की है. 15 रन 40, 15 गेंद 40 रन. Forty-seven for 3. Now 40 from 14 balls. 40 from 14 balls. The passing marks of 40. 14. Once again, Rahul Panchal. Very good bowling. 40 रन अब 13 गेंद. एक बड़ी हिट. क्या कुछ कमाल करेंगे और कुछ धमाल करेंगे हेमंत और प्रीतेश. And that went into the commentary box. Very good fielding by me beyond the boundary line for 4 runs. So 6 overs gone, 51 for 3, 2 over left, 36 to get. A cracking shot, long off for 4. ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League 2025 Season 2 Day 2 Event Sporting Partner Brand Next Media. That's good bowling. Siddesh More now into the attack. Swing and a miss. 36 now from 11 balls. Only a single run. So 35 from 10 balls. 3.5 every ball. Once again, a swing and a miss. Siddesh More turning the change of the course of the match. 3 बॉल मात्र 1 रन इस ओवर में अब तक आए. 35 now from 9 balls. Once again, swing and a miss. That's green ball. Leg stump bells gone. Goodbye, Tata. Bye bye. 6.5, 52 for 4. Siddesh More strikes. 6.5 52 पे 4 और 35 रन अब चाहिए 7 गेंद में. So couple of runs and that will be the end of the over number 7. That's 54 for 4 and they require 33 to get in final over. Still the discussion is on who will be the man of the match. Mitesh Chauhan also played well, 40 of 18. Siddesh More 30 of 21 with 1426. But Siddesh More took one more wicket also. Wicket. So coming up the final over of semi-final 1, Aeon Dazzlers will enter into the finals. The single looking for 2, deep extra cover, and they will go for one more run. Going back for 4th run and gone. So 3 runs taken, throw from Amay. So now Aeon Dazzlers will be the first contender to enter into the final. 33. अभी का 3 रन सिद्धेश्वर दे दिया 5 बॉल में चाहिए 30 रन और ये डॉट बॉल. और इसी के साथ एऑन डेजलर्स फाइनल में करेंगे प्रवेश और उनको हम पूछेंगे फाइनल मैच या परफॉर्म व्हाट हैपनिंग. स्विंग एंड मिस 7.3 57 पे 5 30 from 3. So now it's just time to celebrate the first finalist. Here we go. Last ball, 28 runs required. Swing and a miss. Aeon Dazzlers entering into the finals, won by 27 runs. Many much congratulations, ICICI Lombard Brokers Premier League, the first finalist, Pink Panthers. No, it's Aeon Dazzlers. Error from my side, rectified. Aeon Dazzlers. So Aeon Dazzler, very much congratulations. We will be calling the man of the match. Aeon Dazzlers, ये है बाजीगर. जल्दी से आइए मैन ऑफ द मैच सिद्धेश मोरे. लवकरात लवकर हाजिर हो. ओके एवरीवन, सिद्धेश मोरे को आगे चलने दो. आ जाइए सिद्धेश मोरे जी. वेरी वेल प्लेड. So make some noise for Siddesh More. 30 of 21, 1 4s and 2 6, and with the bowling.